Hey y'all, so good afternoon. I'm on lunch and I just want to come to y'all and tell y'all that I am obsessed with eating. It's a healthy lunch option that you can try too. So if you are interested in knowing what I have been eating for the past 3 days for lunch that is healthy and vegan, then continue watching. Hey y'all, I'm at lunch and I wasn't gonna record this video because I'm in an area with a lot of people. Thus, why I have these headphones on. But y'all, I have been obsessed with eating this for lunch for the past week. Started off, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified of any time I post a video. So I guess this will be like a what I eat in a day, doing the Daniel plan and trying to lose weight. So I'm obsessed with spicy black bean burgers, and shout out to my sister Fairfam. If you are watching this, girl, I am semi-vegan on lunch, only at lunch, but I have the spicy black bean burgers made by Morningstar, and then I'm eating a healthy choice brown rice bowl. I combined the two, y'all, and when I tell y'all it was delicious, so let me show y'all right now. So y'all, what I did was I cooked the rice bowl and it had tomatillo salsa in it, and I chopped up two black bean burgers and I mixed them together. I had some Taco Bell sauces, so anytime you go to Taco Bell, get extra sauce and you can bring them to work, and that's easy lunch option. There's some sour cream in there and some ranch dressing, some tomatoes and some lettuce. I am going to devour this when I tell you this bowl is delicious. It's got pinto beans, black beans, cilantro, corn, red peppers, tomatillo salsa, and brown rice. It is delicious. And when I tell y'all, these black bean burgers taste just like a burger. Like, I have been hooked on them for the past 3 weeks. I went to Target and bought $20 worth. They come with four in a pack. So this is my healthy lunch option, y'all. And I didn't have to spend no coins because I don't like spending money for my lunch. But I just want to show y'all what this looks like. It is so good. I'm about to mix this together and I'm gonna come back and show y'all when everything is all done. So y'all, I have added my sour cream, my tomatoes, and my Taco Bell sauce. No, that's the ranch dressing, the sour cream, the tomatoes, and the Taco Bell sauce. I dip everything in the sour cream, but y'all, you cannot tell me that this do not look delicious. And it's vegan, and I'm hooked on this. So I do eat vegan at lunch. I don't eat meat at lunch. This morning for breakfast I had, in case y'all want to know, I had 4 turkey sausage links, which was 3 links is 100 calories. So I added a fourth one. I don't know how many calories that is. But when I tell y'all, when I eat this, I don't even miss meat. Like, so Fair Fam, my sis, if y'all not subscribed to her channel, go check her out. She posts all the vegan, what she eats for her, what she cooks for her family. So y'all, I am about to go in on this lunch. So y'all know that look good, right? Y'all gotta excuse me. I don't feel good today. I ain't do my eyebrows today. I ain't got on no concealer today. And my sinus is trying to take me down today. So I just want to show y'all that lunch. And when I eat that, I don't even miss the meat. Like that, I'm hooked on those. And shout out to my friend Dwayla, my coworker, TK, Takora. They told me about that Sam's had them. But Sam's don't have the spicy black bean flavor. So I went to Target, and Target is the only location that has the spicy black bean ones. So head over to Target. This is not a sponsored video. And y'all, I'm just about to enjoy this lunch. So again, hope I feel better, y'all. Oh, and I'm gonna throw this in at the end. I went shopping again at Torrid, and I got 2 items that I'm gonna be showing y'all I'm gonna try to film that probably tomorrow. I'm not feeling good, so I got to do another unboxing and try on. So that is coming. I threw that in at the end, but so what I can because it's my channel. And as far as with, let me throw this in. As far as with weight loss, I lost like 2 more pounds, but I'm losing inches like no other, babe. So I'm gonna do another update about my weight loss, but my clothes are feeling so much better, y'all, and I'm just feeling a lot better. Please continue to keep my grandmother in your prayers. She was back in the hospital. She's home now, but she just keep my grandmother in your prayers, y'all. This has been a long month for me, which is why I haven't been really putting a lot of videos out. So again, if there's a lot of noise in the background, I do apologize, y'all. I'm in lunch in the cafeteria and it is loud.com. But I had to show y'all this. I'm going to eat this for the rest of the week. I'm getting my fiber, I'm getting my veggies, and it's healthy. This whole lunch, the rice bowl is 320 calories. The black bean burgers are 110 calories each. So that's about no more than 500 calories for this lunch. So again, I'm done enough talking, enough rambling. I just thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting me. And I will see y'all later. Bye.